Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on MyFitnessPal. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to add their friends so that they can keep each other in track. How do you actually go ahead and add friends to MyFitnessPal? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what we're first going to do is that we're going to go onto our MyFitnessPal app. Then we're going to click on the More option on the bottom right hand side. And then you're going to scroll down to where it says Friends. Now here is where you could actually click on Add Friends. And then from here you can add friends from your phone contacts, or you can invite friends using their email address or MyFitnessPal username. So if I click on email or MyFitnessPal username, this is where you can enter the username of your friend or family member on MyFitnessPal, or you can enter their email. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite friends on MyFitnessPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.